Introducing the Gafowm 4-in-1 cell phone stand with instant wireless induction speaker. No Bluetooth pairing needed, just place your phone. And in 1 second, enjoy 200% louder sound with deep bass and HD clarity. Use it as a foldable phone stand, a Bluetooth speaker, or even a 2000 mAh power bank in emergencies. Perfect gift for parents, tech lovers, and the hearing impaired. Portable, practical, and powerful. Grab yours today. Check description by now. Amazon Prime deals limited time DLAMs on associate program.
Looking for louder sound without the hassle? Just place your phone on the stand, no Bluetooth needed. It instantly amplifies the volume, perfect for seniors, the hearing impaired, or anyone who loves convenience. What even better sound? Switch to Bluetooth 5.3 for faster pairing, stronger connection, and crystal clear audio. Running out of battery? The device has USB ports so you can charge your phone in emergencies. One less thing to worry about. You can easily adjust the angle for better viewing when you are done. Just fold it up and take it with you. Lightweight and compact, ideal for traveling or business trip. It's not just useful, it's also a great gift. Birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or Father's Day. It's a smart gift that everyone will actually use. Simple to use, packed with features, and ready to go.